Hey there! Today we're diving into a fascinating problem involving gaze data in three-party conversations. The goal is to compute phases of mutual gaze, where each speaker looks at another party and vice versa, resulting in overlapping gazes. Quite an interesting problem to tackle, isn't it? Now, let's discuss the solution to our problem. We'll be using the data.table foverlaps function, which efficiently performs an overlap join of two data tables. The key is to define a function that takes data frames of the speaker and recipient, identifies overlapping gazes, and computes the mutual gaze time intervals. Then, by applying this function to each group of utterances and pairs, we can extract the desired output showing the start and end times of mutual gazes for each interaction. Continuing with our solution, we'll utilize the setDT function to convert our data to data tables, and then apply the get_mutual_gazes function to calculate the mutual gaze time intervals for each speaker-recipient pair within each utterance. The result will provide us with a structured overview of the mutual gaze phases during the conversations, making it easier to analyze and interpret the data. In the final part, we can also employ the group_modify function in dplyr to achieve similar results in a more streamlined manner. By grouping the data by utterance and gaze pair, and then running the get_mutual_gazes function on the speaker and recipient roles for each group, we can generate a clear summary of the mutual gaze intervals, enhancing our understanding of the interactions. In conclusion, we've successfully tackled the challenge of computing mutual gaze phases in three-party conversations using innovative data manipulation techniques. I hope you enjoyed unraveling this problem as much as I did. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Stay curious and keep exploring new horizons.